Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we drafted the back piece of our pattern. In this video we'll be drafting the front piece of the pattern. Remember, we already have the bust, waist and hip line extended to the CF. So now we'll start with the shoulder line for the front and the neckline. So we start marking right at the top line. That will be our point O. So we mark 4.5 cm for the shoulder line and 7.5 cm for the base of the neck. Remember, these measurements are for bust of 92 centimeters. Rule the shoulder line almost halfway across, and the width of the neckline should be 7.5 centimeters, the same width as the back neckline. You can go ahead and label the construction lines. Draw a short vertical construction line from the neckline to the top line. On the shoulder line, mark a point 16.5 centimeters. This is a fixed point for all sizes. From the bust line, right on the CF, measure up 4 centimeters for the chest line and down 4 centimeters for the true bust line. Rule out the lines parallel to the bust line. And label them accordingly. Rule a shoulder seam line from MP passing through the 16.5 cm point. On the bust line, measure quarter chest measurement from CF, which is 9.5 centimeters. From 2 centimeters below the quarter chest measurement, rule a line parallel to CF straight up to the shoulder seam. From here, measure 2 centimeters inwards. From this last point, rule a line down to the point 2 centimeters below the bust line. This will be the inner line of the dart. Then mark the dart size, which is 7.5 centimeters for bust 92 cm. Rule a line which will now be the outer line of the dart. To complete the shoulder seam, measure 12.5 centimeters from the neck point, skipping the 7.5 cm dart, and mark as your SP. That's the shoulder point. On the chest line from the CF, measure half chest measurement, which is 19 centimeters, skipping the dart. Mark this point, the chest point, CHP. Rule a line between the chest point and the shoulder point. Extend a short perpendicular line to the bust line as a guide to draw the armhole. From this point, mark a 1.5 centimeter guideline. Mark a point midway between the shoulder point and the chest point and take it in by 1.2 centimeters. From the CF along the bust line, measure the front bust width. Front bust width is the total bust width minus the back bust width. Remember, the total bust width and back bust width are calculations we already obtained in the last video. Draw the armhole by joining the shoulder point to the chest point, passing through the 1.5 centimeter guideline, making sure it dips a little before taking it back to the underarm point. Draw in the neckline. On the hip line, mark quarter hip measurement plus 3 centimeter is. The points touch because the pattern width is the same as the hip width plus 3 centimeters. Rule a straight underarm seam from the point HP to UP. Mark a point 1.5 centimeters inwards on the waistline. From this point, draw the outer shaped seam. Connect the waistline to the true bust line with a curve. Make sure to stop at the true bust line in order to retain sufficient ease around the bust line. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.